Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Sanders takes the lesson a kabaddi match. This is the third part of this lesson. So let's start from here. So in the previous part we have seen that the 9B team was declared out. Next, 9A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. Lona means bonus point, extra points. So 9A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points. It's a Lona. It was an icing on the cake. It was an icing on the cake. What an unbelievable score. It sets the head of 9B reeling. सो हियर 9B जो थी वो हार गई थी 9A से. दैट से इसलिए यहाँ कहाँ है हियर द फ्रेज इट वॉज एन आइसिंग ऑन द केक. इट इज़ अ फ्रेज. राइट. आफ्टर द हाफ टाइम ब्रेक, सो हाफ टाइम ब्रेक के बाद द स्टार प्लेयर 9A वेयर फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंट. So 9A team was 9A team was confident then. Once again, they managed to catch hold of Ace Raider Mohan, and this time also they catch the Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi, the Ace Raider, right? यानी A grade player थे वो. That's why 9A outplayed 9B in all the areas of kabaddi. So here 9A outplayed 9B in all area of kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, their suppleness help them to beat 9B. So इन सब वजह से their spirit, confidence and strategies, swiftness, sense of suppleness, so help them beat 9B. So it's helped them beat 9B. 9B who had never tasted defeat earlier. So in the earlier time 9B never tasted defeat, but now they were defeated. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. So here the information about kabaddi. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India. Kabaddi originated in India and has now become popular in many countries, and nowadays it plays many a country, so that many international events are organized in this event. So many international events are organized, and in this event international rules are followed. So in this event international rules are followed. There were a different rule in international level, but several other kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gemini, Amar, etc. are followed in different part of India. So here there's a style of kabaddi, Sanjeevani, Gemini. These are the style of kabaddi play. So there are different rule of there. So these are the kabaddi. Here is also information about kabaddi. In kabaddi, 2 team of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangle court. So we know that in a kabaddi 2 team, right, and each team have 7 member, right, and divided by a midline, and there were a midline break in between. So the game is usually played in 2 halves time, right, 2 half, with a half time break in between. After the break the team exchange their side in the court. So after the break the team exchange their side in a court. To play the game each team sends raiders across the midline. Raiders, yes, this means a sender from that team across the midline to other team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side. So raider try to tag or catch someone. Someone means the another team and opponent, and run back to his side. All in one breath, right? so he have to do all in one breath to show that he hasn't inhaled again. So he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant. And what is kabaddi 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 kabaddi, right? All the time. If he has to inhale again, he is out. So if he has inhaled, so he will be out. The opponent tried to catch the readers and stop him going back to his half till he loses his breath and has inhaled again. If the raider managed to go back successfully, all the person he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. So it's the when the opposite touch the raiders, so they will be out. All the person has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team score a point. So opposite team score a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team get bonus point. That's the Lona. The team with a maximum point wins the match. Okay, so which team get maximum points? It will be uh, uh, it will be winner. Okay, so this is the third and last part of this lesson. Okay, students.